Hey, I'm Maciej from Eonea talking about data loss prevention. Today I will talking about Iperf. Iperf is a tool to measure network throughput. You can ask why I need to measure network throughput. I always can go to the Speedtest.net webpage and do the test. Yeah, it's quite well working tool. It's fine, but please remember what is measuring in that case. In that case, you are measuring only throughput between your host and nearest host of Speedtest.net network. It's quite common that that kind of hosts are located in internet service provider infrastructure. So you are measuring only throughput between your device and your internet service provider infrastructure. It's not accurate, especially when you are planning to transfer data between two different location or even in the different country. In that case, you will need to know what exactly speed you can expect between two particular places in the internet. That's why we need Iperf. Iperf is reachable on Windows, Linux, MacOS, and also Android as a CLI tool. I will show how it works, how we can use it, but first, sponsored part. If you need our support in designing, implementing, or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access, or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support, but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Thanks, and now let's get back to the technical details. Iperf, it's working as a server client infrastructure. To use it, we should install it first. So in the Linux kind or Debian kind, we have apt install Iperf3. That should work. In my case, it's already installed, so nothing will happen. To start it in server mode, we should use Iperf3 S with the S as a server. So the server have started on port 5201. We will try to watch that traffic, so we will use Beamon application. Beamon application, it's graphical tool to watch the network traffic. In my case, the interface network is ENX0. We expect that on that interface will traffic flow. So to use it on the client side, we need to use Iperf3C. And now we will point the server. That should be it. And we can see the traffic is flowing. So we can see that on the server side, we are receiving around 100 megabits. That is what is expected in that case. But we want to know how the speed will be use it in the opposite direction. Let's say we always can use -R, so reverse. And then traffic will flow in opposite side. This is working. It's quite cool. There is a various option. Iperf3-H. A lot of option to configure to perform the test. Some of option will be applied on the server side and some will be applied on the customer side. Those are for both, so we can show the port. We always, because of firewalls, because of a lot of things, we could need to check the traffic on particular port. So we always can use different port than 5201. Definitely, that's useful. We can always use debug. Sometimes it's useful, but please take a look. We can use daemon. So if we will do like that, it will work as a daemon. So we can close it and it will work. Sometimes it's useful to use it as a daemon from the standard perspective with system control. That will also work, but in some cases that part will be quite useful. Quite nice feature. It's one-off. So if we'll do it after first test, server will stop to work. It could be helpful. On the client side, we saw that. So after C, we are putting the host to connect. In some cases, because of firewall, because of the particular test we want to perform, we could need to use UDP, for example. With UDP, we will need, of course, bitrate. We always can use T. So we want to perform the test on particular time. So that's cool. We want to sometimes transmit amount of data and then turn off the test. That's also possible. We can set the TCP windows if we only need or if we want. DSCP, it's also possible to test a lot of things. So that kind of tool, it's necessary not always when you want to measure speed between particular places in internet, but also inside data centers. Sometimes when there is not enough network bandwidth or something like that, you always can use it inside to track the problem with the backups, to track the problem with bandwidth. It's useful and nice. It's, in my opinion, necessary in network for network engineers. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, if you need our support in designing, implementing or maintaining infrastructure related to virtualization, remote access or TrueNAS storage, feel free to contact us. If you don't need our support but you like what we do, like and subscribe, you know the drill. Meanwhile, we invite you to watch other materials or maybe see you later. Thanks. Bye.